In this video, you'll learn how to use demo trading on OKX. This guide explains how to navigate the platform and execute trades using virtual funds, which allows you to practice without financial risk. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of the demo trading process. Begin by opening the OKX app or visiting the OKX website. Once the platform loads, you will find several options. On the homepage, look for the trade section, which is typically located in the main menu. Click on this option to proceed to the trading interface. Next, locate and tap on demo trading or paper trading. This option is separate from your real account, ensuring that your practice trades do not affect your actual balance. After selecting this, you will automatically receive fake funds for trading, allowing you to simulate real trading conditions without any financial risk. After entering demo mode, you need to choose a market to trade in. You will have options such as spot, futures, and options. Select the market that suits your interest. For example, you might choose spot trading. Once you've selected the market, pick a trading pair, such as BT/USDT or F/USDT. This selection will determine the assets you are trading. Now it's time to place a fake trade. You will see options to either buy/long or sell/short. Choose the direction of your trade based on your market analysis. After selecting your trade type, enter the desired price and the amount you wish to trade. Ensure that you input these details accurately to simulate a realistic trading experience. Once you have entered all the necessary information, tap the confirm button to execute the trade. At this point, you have successfully made a trade using Play Money. To check the results of your trades, navigate to the open orders or position section within the demo trading interface. Here, you will be able to view important information such as profit and loss, your trading history. This allows you to analyze your trading performance and make adjustments as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.